ThinkNxt is a program where the Maveric is providing training for the tools which are globally acceptable. It is not specific to any project or a company, but it is globally acceptable, so the candidate will get benefited throughout his career.
That's a kind of a knowledge that is required from the client side, and that's the major expectation from their end.
So definitely there is a skill gap between the client expectations and the newcomers. So Maverick is using this 23 year of domain knowledge or financial banking knowledge for this filling up this gap between the client and the newcomers. So they have like emerging technologies trainings like AI, ML, Spring Boot, microservices and all those, so that the newcomers can perform better with the clients.
The way it is addressing the skill gap in the market is amazing, and the constant feedback we get from the client is proving that.
So the benefit of this ThinkNxt program is the newcomers will get to work on the live projects with the help and guidance of the expert Maverick mentors.
I wouldn't say ThinkNxt is a game changer, but yeah, it is.
When we conceptualized this program a few years back, we knew that mentorship has to be at the core of it. 23 years of building bank tech solutions for the top 10 global banks is where the mentorship becomes a key highlight. We take pride in knowing that we are shaping the future of bank tech professionals by putting them into this transformative journey.